Hi everybody, happy Saturday. Getting ready to turn on DoorDash, or actually I already turned on DoorDash. I scheduled a block from 5, I think it's 5 to 9 that my block is scheduled for. So hopefully I'll have a good night, busy. We do have like a severe thunderstorm warning. So hoping the weather people screwed up again and there won't be anything. But I have my umbrella just in case. All right, you guys, let's see what we get this evening. Hope everyone is having a great day. Enjoy your Saturday night. Let me know what you're doing in the comments below. Guys, first order is with UberEats here at Crumble Cookies. So let's go get this order. Dropping off Crumble Cookie order. Alright, you guys, second order is with DoorDash here at Chipotle, and I accepted an add-on order as well for coal-fire pizza. So I will go pick up the pizza after I get to Chipotle. It is raining. Guys, picking up from coal fire. This is the add-on order. Oh my god, it's pouring. Hi! Pouring. Alright, let me see if I have to take a picture. Alright, let's drop off this Chipotle order. I couldn't drop off, record the other drop off. Hello! Order 4 is with DoorDash here at Panera Bread. It is still raining. The back of my shirt is soaked. Hello.
Hi.
Alright, just dropping off the Panera order. Finally stopped pouring rain. Alright, dropping off Panera. Alright guys, fifth order is with DoorDash here at CVS. Getting a single pregnancy test for this customer. All right, let's go get it. All right, let's go drop off the CVS order. Guys, another DoorDash offer. This is a Giant Eagle for Shop and Pay. Just getting 4 items here. Should be quick. I'm so glad it stopped raining. Oh man, that entrance is closed. I gotta go to the other side. Get a cart. Alright you guys, this is it. Bird's Eye Steamed Fresh Brussels Sprouts, Giant Eagle brand lemonade, liquid water enhancer, clear forks, and this Coffee Mate Zero Sugar Chocolate Caramel Flavor Creamer. Alright, let's go check out and pay and get this order delivered. Alright, let's go drop off this Giant Eagle order. Picking up order here with DoorDash at Starbucks. Just picking up 2 cake pops. Weird. Hi. Alright, dropping off Starbucks. Another keypad. Oh my god. You can barely even see them. Guys, picking up from California Tortilla with DoorDash. I lost track what number order I'm on. And DoorDash is doing the same thing with my earnings. Can't see it. So I'm just gonna wait till I'm done for the night and then call support. I already tried logging off the app and logging back in and still nothing. So it's been almost 3 hours since I started DoorDashing. You know, making deliveries this evening. So there should be something there, but nope. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go drop off the California Tortilla order. I got my umbrella because it started pouring again. Alright, let's see. Alright, you guys, picking up order from Little Caesars. This might be my last one for the night because it was freaking pouring down rain. Had to switch umbrellas to like my big ass umbrella. This is awful, delivering in this kind of weather. Money wise, it hasn't been, it's been steady, but the money has not been that great. Alright, you guys, dropping off the Little Caesars order. Pouring rain.